Welcome in computer class, students. In previous class we have created files and folders. Today we are going to learn how to move a file or folder. Moving means removing content from one place to another place. So we have to do here cut paste. Shortcut key for the cut is Ctrl plus X and for paste Ctrl plus V. Whereas copying allows you to make duplicate of original content. Shortcut key for copy is Ctrl plus C. So this is the difference between cut paste and copy paste. Now we will move hockey file from outdoor games subfolder to indoor games subfolder. Click on start button. Select the documents, select the sports folder. From that you have to select the outdoor games, and in that you will see that hockey file. After selecting the hockey file, it will be highlighted with the light blue color. You can see there. Just click on the edit menu from the menu bar and you have to move the file. So you have to click on cut. I have selected cut option. Again you have to come back. Now we are in outdoor games folder. Come back. Select the indoor games subfolder. Here you can see the indoor games subfolder. Now we have to paste our file, hockey file here. So click on edit and paste option. So here we have moved our hockey file from outdoor game to indoor games. Students, you can cut, copy, paste, delete or rename a file or folder using shortcut menu. In short, with the right click of the mouse. With the close button you can close the window. Now we are going to learn how to copy a file or a folder. First we will create one file named badminton in outdoor games subfolder. After that we will copy this badminton file from the outdoor games to indoor games subfolder. Let us start. Click on start button. Click on the documents. Select the sports folder. Click on the outdoor games. Here now football and hockey two files are there already. So now we are going to create a new file. So click on the file from the file menu. Select the new option and select any file. Here I am selecting text document. Here we are going to give a name to that file as a badminton. So use the backspace key, otherwise delete key, and give a name as badminton. After typing the file name, press the enter key on the keyboard. The files in the file list are automatically arranged in alphabetical order. So the new file badminton appears first in the list. Well, we are created a badminton file in our outdoor games. Now we are copying this badminton file from outdoor games to indoor games. For that, we are going to select the badminton file. From menu bar, select the edit menu, copy, click on the back button, come in the indoor games. Again click on the edit menu from menu bar, select the paste option. In this way we are copied the badminton file from outdoor games to indoor games. Now here in the outdoor games also the badminton file is there, and in indoor games also the badminton file is there. Use the close button to close the window. Rename a file or folder. We will rename outdoor games subfolder as a field games. In short, we are changing the name of the outdoor games subfolder. Click on the start button. Select the documents. select the sports folder. Now select the outdoor games subfolder. When you are selecting the outdoor games subfolder, it will highlight with the light blue color. Just right click on the outdoor games subfolder. After selecting, you should right click with the mouse. These options of right click menus will appear. From that, you should select the rename option. After selecting rename option, use either backspace key or delete key. Now erase the name outdoor games. Now type the new name field games. After typing the field games, you should press the enter key from keyboard. Now field games went up and indoor games folder came down. As I told, file lists are automatically arranged in the alphabetical order. So now we have renamed the outdoor subfolder with the name of field games. Now if you want to again rename the folder as a outdoor games, click on the edit menu. From menu bar you will see the drop down menu. From that select the undo rename, the topmost menu. Again your field games folder renamed with the outdoor games. Undo means to reverse any of action or taking a previous action. Ctrl plus Z, it is a shortcut key for undo.